Open my YouTube right now, and this person asked me this question on the comment section. It says, please, how can I buy the gift card online to say? I mean, which website can I buy the gift card, and how will I get the code after I buy the gift card online? And I'm going to answer this question. Do you understand? That is why we are making this video. I'm going to teach you how to buy gift card online and how to you get your code after you buy the gift card. Do you understand right now? If you are watching me for the first time, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification, and make sure you like this video, then share it for more people to see. Do you understand right now? And if you have any question, write it in the comment section and I'm going to answer you guys. And make sure your question is relevant and genuine. Do you understand right now? I cannot just answer anyhow question. Make sure you write a good question that I will answer. Do you understand right now? Now, this is how it goes. If you want to buy gift card online, go to my gift card, you can see my giftcardsupply.com. Go to this website. This is one of the best websites you can buy your gift card from, and they will deliver it sharp to you. This is how it goes. Let's go. In 1 to 2 minutes, you get your gift card. It will deliver sharp. Now, let's verify this. And now this is how it's going to look like. And the first thing you are going to do when you log like this, you click on this 3 line left the side here. You see login. Click on login. Do you understand right now? When you click on login, it will take you to this side. It will take you to put your Gmail. Do you understand? It say enter email address. I'm just going to click on continue with Gmail, and I will select one of my Google account, Gmail accounts, and we are continue to go. Let me quickly do that right now. Now, I have signed up with my own Gmail account right now, and this is what you are going to do. Just scroll down here, look at the gift card you want to buy. You can see Apple Card, and you can see it says $15 to $2,000, which means you can buy starting from $15 to $2,000 US Apple Card. Do you understand? This is Razer Gold gift card, Binance card, US Steam gift card. And if the one you are looking for is not here, you click on shop all gift card. Click on shop all gift card, and it's going to load. It's going to bring more gift card for us. Now let's quickly do that. I think it has loaded right now, and you keep scrolling until you get the kind of gift card you want to buy. Do you understand right now? You keep scrolling. You can see India Google Play. You can see UK Apple gift card. Make sure you look at it before you buy it, because if you want to buy US card and you go and buy your UK card, it might not work for what you want to use it for. Do you understand right now? Unless if you want to sell it to get the cash, that one is different. Do you understand right now? Because gift card is used for different things. You can use it to make payment online. You understand? There are some websites that accept gift card as payment. Do you understand right now? Now let's say for example, let's say we want to buy this US Apple gift card. We are going to click on it. Do you understand right now? We are going to click on it, and it's going to load. Let it load. You can see right now, you can see it has loaded. Buy a US Apple gift card online. You can see $15, $20, $50, $100, $2,000. Now let's select the one we want to buy. Let's say I want to buy $25. I'm going to click on $25. Do you understand right now? And I'm going to be paying $28.97 US dollar for this $25 that I want to buy. Do you understand right now? If it is $15, I'm going to click on it. Do you understand? And I'm going to pay $17.97 USD for this one. The next thing you are going to do first is you click on add to cart. Do you understand right now? You click on add to cart. Now, when you get to add to cart, you can see it's going to look like this. Then this is what you are going to do now. You do understand? You can see the quantity. You can see -1 plus. If you want to buy 2 of this gift card, you plus it. It will be 2. It will be 2 code like this. Do you understand right now? If you want to buy 3, you plus it. Do you understand right now? So that is how it is. Then after that, the next thing you are going to do is to go down here and click on checkout. You can see checkout. Click on checkout. Do you understand? Click on checkout. And when you get to here where you are going to make the payment, you can see debit and credit card. When you click on debit and credit card, it's going to show you the option for you to put your card information. You can use your debit card, put your card number, expiry date, CCV and everything, then your postal code address. If you don't know your postal code address, just go to Google like this. Go to Google and type the area you are living. If you are living in, you can just use Nigeria postal code. You don't understand right now? Just search on Google Nigeria postal code. It's going to show you those number. Then you put your postal code here. Do you understand right now? After you put your postal code here, then you click on verify I'm a human. After you verify I'm a human, place secure order. Do you understand? You click on place secure order, and in few seconds, the next thing you are going to do, let me tell you something before you place order. You can see where it says account details. You can see here. This is the Gmail they are going to send this card to now. Now, if you don't want to receive your gift card with this Gmail, you edit it and put the one you want to. Do you understand right now? Let's say, because this is the Gmail that I registered with, is the one that is going to place there. But you can change it, you can edit it. Do you understand right now? You can edit the Gmail address because they are sending your gift card on your Gmail. They will just send the code to you. Do you understand right now? They will deliver the code to you sharp. And after they deliver the code to you, you can go ahead and do whatever you want to do with your gift card. And also you can pay with crypto. You can see PayPal, crypto. You click on crypto. When you click on crypto like this, do you understand right now? When you click on crypto, you can see where it says pay with crypto. Okay, what happened? Done. You click on done, okay. Then you click on pay with crypto. Verify you are a human. Do you understand right now? After you verify you are a human, then you click on pay with crypto. If you have any cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, USDT, let's go ahead and see. Do you understand right now? You can see right now, you can scan this QR code to make the payment, or you copy this wallet address. Just click on copy, then go to your Bitcoin wallet address or Dogecoin and place this address on it and make the payment of 17 points. How much is it? This amount of BTC. Make the payment on this wallet and they are going to verify your payment. Do you understand right now? Immediately they verify your payment, the card will be delivered to your Gmail account, the Gmail account you provide. Do you understand right now? So make sure you like this video, share it for more people to see, and if you have any question at all, write it in the comment section and I'm going to answer you. Do you understand right now? One love, guys. One love.